guys, welcome to another video. Just this is one to let you guys know about a car meet I'm doing on 2nd of June in this car park. It's going to be in Long Eaton. We're going to go through a few details now. I'm going to jump back in car because it's cold. Right guys, so as I just explained then, we're going to go through some details in the car because it is a bit cold outside. Keegan's here with me, X7 KTG. Subscribe in the description, give him some love.
Get subscribing, boys, I need it.
Yeah, show him some love. He's got obviously his VXR, he's having a completely different theme to me. You're going to see videos of me on his channel that you won't necessarily see on mine as well. So subscribe to him, check it all out. He's got some good videos, just starting out, so like I said, show him some love. Also, I've had a question from a lot of you guys about car meets, and if I'm doing another one. Obviously, when I did the last car meet, I only had like 1,000 and something subscribers, 1,200 I think. We're now on 2.9k, which is absolutely insane. So I am doing another car meet, and it's going to be the 2nd of June. It's going to be in Long Eaton TESCO car park. It is underground. That little clip you've seen in the beginning, that is part of where we're going to be. It does close at 12 o'clock, so we do have a plan though. There's a 3-hour limit in the car park, so make sure you take note on what time you arrive, and then there's no return within 1 hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave after 2:30 in this car park. There's an Audi literally over the road. It's literally 2 seconds. So what we'll do is we'll go over there. That is maximum stay an hour and 30, no return within 4 hours. So if we have to move, we'll move over there for an hour 15 and come back, so then we're not breaking any rules and nobody's going to get a ticket. There is cameras on the car park, but also we're going to have to be a bit respectful as well of other people.
So that means no driving like a fucking dickhead.
Till we leave.
Till we leave. Then boom.
But yeah, also as well, we're going to be doing this every Saturday of every month. We might stop. Yeah, the first Saturday of every month. But what we're going to do is we're going to travel all the way around the country if we can. So if any of you guys have got any suggestions for the next meet, right, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm going to put a poll on Instagram, and we're going to have some locations, and the place that gets the most votes, we're going to be there next time. Yeah, we're going to find somewhere around there where we can park. If any of you guys that live locally know where we can park, by all means let us know, and we will sort that out for the next meet in July. So again, all links and information in the description. Subscribe to Keegan, show him some love. Also,
guys.
Also check out that description of the time. So like I said, it'll be 6 PM. We might be here a little bit earlier, but we might just try and get here for bang on 6, just so obviously because of the parking and all that sort of stuff. We don't want to be leaving the car park half an hour earlier than everybody else. So, but again, you can return in this car park within an hour. Right, so also if you don't have a Corsa or a Vauxhall, you have any different type of modified car, whether it's modified or not, if it's standard, bring it. If it's modified, bring it. If it's not a Vauxhall, bring it. Any car is welcome to this car meet.
If it's a Ford, push it.
He said that, not me. Right, but yeah, any car is welcome to this car meet, so anybody turn up, you know, feel free to come. It'd be nice to meet anybody and everybody. So if you've got some friends as well that you want to drive down with, by all means bring them as well, more the merrier. So yeah, also thank you guys for everybody that's bought stickers. If you do want to buy a sticker, I am going to have some with me at the car meet. I've currently got no red ones left. I've got blue, green, orange and pink. But yeah, if you do want to buy one of them before the car meet because you can't make it, link is in the description for that, and I can get that posted out the same day if you order early enough. So I think that's it. Any questions, drop it in the comments. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and hopefully I'll see you guys there on the 2nd. Keegan will be there as well in his silver VXR. So yeah, be nice to see everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.
Bye guys.